We want you to have the best possible experience with FilterBalls. Unfortunately, we get calls at our customer support lines from time to time with people having problems, and we find out that they're using a knockoff product that's using names very similar to ours. Products made in China, and it's often sold on the internet through Amazon or eBay. Sharon, why don't you talk a little bit about some of the calls you're getting in the customer service lines?
Thanks, Chris. So I do the customer care, and I get all the customers that call in that have issues. And some of them have the issues of, well, my filter balls aren't filtering, or they don't backwash. Well, what color is the media? Well, it's white. It's not filter balls. Okay, so this one has 2 words, filter balls, and it's packaged like this, and this is what it looks like. This is not our product. It doesn't backwash. It doesn't have longevity. It doesn't hold the dirt capacity that filter balls does. So I let them know that, and then I get them on the FilterBalls train, the real FilterBalls train. Right, Kirk?
Correct, Sharon. So as Sharon mentioned, we have 3 different varieties of product, all a different color based on their micron retention or their ability to clear particulate matter from the water column. We've got green, which is our minis product, and that's for housings 250 pounds and below, and it's packaged in a bag that is equal to 1 50-pound bag of sand. Then we have the blue, which is the product that is good for 250-pound housings or above, which is also sands. The difference between them is the micron retention of, again, the particulate matter from the water column. We've independently certified them to NSF standards for potable water as well as commercial pools. The other products do not have those standard certifications that we do. We take great care in manufacturing our product. We extrude the fibers, we convert all the product here in the United States, in the Midwest, by our patriots and veterans that we employ. We take a lot of pride in making sure that our customer service is accurate.
Just want to make sure that you guys get the right product and understand that this is made in 100% made in the USA. And I don't know, we're second to none, right?
We are.